So complicated, I'm so scared, there's no graphics, oh god. I'm gonna install Funtoo here, and I'm gonna time how long it takes me, so we're downloading. There's about 5 minutes left on our download. I have my disk set up already because I have Windows dual booted and it's a lot more complicated, but so after this downloads, I'm gonna start timer on my phone here, my cellular, and it's gonna be good, and we're gonna see how long it takes to download the stuff. Step 1, it's really complicated. Look, you gotta type in this really impossible to know code. It's a really hacker code. It's TAR. Oh wait, you gotta delete the. Make sure there's no text there before. Make sure you didn't slam your hand on the keyboard earlier. It's a really hard one. TAR, and my R key doesn't light up, sadly. And then XPF, and then you just type an S, and then you hit Tab, and then enter. And you got this, and look at that, and you just hit enter, and you wait a little bit, and you wait some more, cause it's a lot of stuff. It's gotta move the ones and zeros around, you know. Oh, there we go. Oh, look at that. Oh, we're gonna just ls. Oh, look, Gentoo's installed pretty much. Funtoo. Okay, so now we're compiling stuff. Look at that. We're only 5 minutes in, and we're compiling stuff. Look at that, we actually just installed LILO into our system, because that's my favorite bootloader. Okay, so here's my LILO config. If anybody wants it, this is what I use. This will also give you the option to boot Windows. It's very simple. Yeah, and on top of that here, I'll show you how hard it is to install LILO. You type this in, and then you hit enter, and then it does that, and then it does that. And now compiling NTFS 3G, very important for mounting NTFS stuff. We're gonna be out of battery soon. So we're at 14 minutes. And after this is done, I'm gonna probably reboot the computer. Yeah, so I just spent 15 minutes reading how to get the correct drivers for the Radeon working, because you gotta use the closed source drivers because they actually work, unlike the open source ones that don't work. This was my problem before. Oh look, hey, look at that, it works. I could boot into Windows right now if I wanted to. Let's not, we're gonna load Funtoo. Oh, there we go. There's all our fun stuff. So we're gonna log in. Look there, we have Funtoo installed. Look at that, that's crazy. Isn't that wild how easy that is? Boy, I wish I could keep installing Funtoo, but there's no electricity. We got candles though, that's for sure. We got lots of candles. Woo! This is what I've been doing the whole time. I've been just doing radio stuff all day. This is day 1, I guess. Total day 1. Power went out last night. Call that a knife? This is a knife. It's time to duel, Yugi. I summon the whatever this is. Oh god, what is this? Wingweaver. Oh god. Fighter of Sun. When fighting against monster and statistics for facts about damification, effective to boost the offensive of the card up to 500 points. And he's a level 5 sound monster. What a good card. 2015 not having good cards. Oh god. You guys want to see my cards? I got a lot of cards. Look at these cards. Oh god. I'm gonna commit Sudoku right now. Oh god. You wanna touch my lens? Oh.
Morning, Bill. You sound like you're in town, loud and clear.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm still at home getting ready to go for a few hours.
Oh, he's gonna go for a few hours.
Wow, nice signal.
Nice signal, guy. Wow, what a signal. Wow. Just of remembering, this computer is never of no battery. Because it is big bad. Holy dust screen. Oh look, look at the best bootloader. Oh look what we're running. Oh look, hi there, boom. Hey, oh, boom. A blam. Can't get to the internet, but you know what, we're already ready to go. We're ready to log in already. Look at that. Freaking already looks so much dustier on the camera than it does in real life. Also, ooh. Whoa, hey, wow!
My cell phone, oh god. My cell phone won't turn on, it's dead. Let's try the other one. Oh, let's see. Oh, maybe I gotta do this. It's dead. No electricity. Let's try the other one. Let's see. What do I do? I can't even get it open with one hand. This thing is poorly designed. There we go. Oh god, let's see. It's not turning on. It's dead. Let's try the other one. Oh god, it's dead too.